Hey there! Think pandas only black and white? Wrong. Meet the red panda, aka the flappiest, most adorable tree hugger you ever see. They live in cool Himalayan forests, basically nature's treehouse resort, with fur like a cinnamon bun, a tail longer than body, and paws that cling like they got tiny superglue pads. So cool. But panda is not actually a species of bear. They are families of weasel and raccoon. Okay, real talk. Only around 10,000 of these little guys are left in the wild, but awesome groups like the International Red Panda Network are fighting hard to keep them safe. They're not just a cute, they are living, breathing rock star of nature. Let's make sure that Flappy Legends stick around for lots of more snuggles and tree climbs. This is my favorite panda of all time, even he's not a panda. Meet the red panda.